7 off the bat. And then double back in that 4th inning.
Hello?
First offering to Yelly, and Yelly sends one of the...
It's an entire fucking road for you, dude. It's here and there's a bunch of seating outside kind of thing.
Frozen custard.
Yeah. Just try not to wear it like Sarah did. Who is...
Wow, what happened?
Dude. Oh, I guess it's road closed to through traffic, but get the fuck out of the way.
Dribbled custard.
Come on, I'm going in there. Come on. Asshole. Like, it doesn't get... Wake up. Holy fuck! Almost hit that fucking thing. Hey, what are you stopping for? It's you. I'm taking this opportunity. You need money management help. Or you have enough money that you can just do that, and in which case, if they didn't show up, get fucked. Whatever.
You just go again.
Ooh.
You got the money.
Right. Oh, this is the second. Okay, you just did not give a shit about cutting that guy off. Ah. And you didn't turn them back off, dickhead.
Tim?
I don't
Once a
think
bunch
so,
of them
yeah.
are coming.
Just one idiot that doesn't know how to park.
When one of my friends saved one, I was like, how did you do that?
I don't know what this is, but we'll let it play.
I can dig it. There's a damn. Oh, it's
Neither of that
eventually.
guy's reverse lights are working.
Nope. Send it though.
Send it.
Let's see. They can.
You didn't even stop, dude. No. Are you gonna? Why are you? What?
He's not even paying attention.
No, he's paying attention. He
Just
just
the wrong people.
doesn't know. So just a spot. Alright. What are you fucking doing, dude? You are not intelligent. I mean, I'm getting your good parking spot, so whatever, but... It got a look back from both of us.
Oh, no.
And because that guy ran the red light, that means when I go through and edit, that clip with its audio will be immortalized.